Hi, welcome back to my channel. Mike with Muddy Boots Off-Road in the barn. So, if your attention span's as long as your pecker, you probably should switch now. This is a little longer video. I have a ton of stuff going on, and I'm going to walk through it with you and let you know what we got coming up. And if you're a dude with limited means and tools like I am, just basic shit, I got a few extras, but nothing crazy. You might want to watch, like, subscribe, because I'll teach you how to build some shit, how to stick metal together, where you can use it. So that's what we're going to try and do. Where do I start? I got a ton of shit going on. So the Blue Jeep is back. We did the rock sliders and re-geared that for him. We got to build a rear bumper, exo cage it, track bar bracket, and I build these axle straps that you just click, strap it down. You don't have to climb over it, worry about your brake lines, wrapping straps or chains or anything like that we build. I'll probably start producing those, I think. I've sold like 5 or 6 sets of them. They're real cheap. They're cost effective. You get a set of 4. I'll get into that in a later video. Next to it, we got a Comanche. We're back on the Comanches. This one got dropped off the other day, and it's questionable roll cage. It's questionable. So we are going to truggy the back end of it. We're going to fix his roll cage. I don't know what all that includes yet. I got to look at it a little closer. He doesn't have a windshield in it, so we tarped it off because we had some storms. But we got a Comanche that we're going to be working on, which is, we like the Comanches. I dig them. I do. And we got the old man here. So this one has been plaguing me with a stupid charging system. So I didn't have enough charge coming off the alternator to run my standalone system, and I couldn't figure out why. So we reached out to a buddy. He did some schematic checking on it, and I chased the wires while he was on the phone, and come to find out, I did not ever hook up my, what used to be the charge indicator idiot light in the dash. Wire was just coiled up in the back in my loom, and I didn't hook it up. Once I hooked that up, this thing started charging 13.5 volts, and now I have enough volts that I can actually mess with the standalone system. Huge headache, huge pain in the ass. Knew it was something simple. And once you get frustrated, you start making mistakes. But this is getting close. I finally got that taken care of. I could not figure that out for about a month and a half. Chasing shit. Pain in the ass. But we got it. Forest here. Got a set of Chevy 63 springs for it. So we're going to do some... We're going to change that, because, which will be quite the ordeal, because they're way longer than the Explorer springs that I have on it. Rear axle seal. Front axle U-joint up there. Blew the cap off of it last time I was in it. And I got something for the bed that I think I'm going to build that it's going to be more user-friendly, which will be fun to watch. This one will be something that we do. Meanwhile, over here, the Mustang, we still got it. Fuel system shit on it, so I can't. I got it to crank over finally. It cranks over. I got fuel pumping, but the fuel is turpentine. And there's so much shit in it that I got to do a bunch of stuff to get this thing out of my life and back to the gal that owns it. But this one's just a back burner kind of thing, because it's going to be a very long process to get all that taken care of. Meanwhile, we got Walter White here, Jesse's Comanche, or Cherokee. He changes rigs so fast I can't keep up. His Cherokee. He has almost got all the parts to do his 1-ton 4-link suspension setup that we're going to build on that. So these are all things coming up here at the barn and Muddy Boots Off-Road. So the word got out that we're picking up work to help do stuff for people. And I got a Toyota coming in. We just did a Toyota transmission on a late model Toyota that we did. We did a transmission swap for it. That worked out great. I think I even worked on like a Nissan Rogue or whatever it was, and did some exhaust work on it for a gal. So we're doing stuff for other people. If you need something done, give us a holler, look us up, but make sure to like and subscribe. I got to get this brand popping. That's just all there is to it, and I need your help to do it. So if you're just a dude with hand tools and shit like that, a welder and a few other things, it might be the channel you like. I might be able to. I ain't a rich man, and I don't have a ton of shit to do all this, but I know how to do it. If that makes sense. Probably not. Anyway, thanks for watching me. Like, subscribe, and check out Muddy Boots Off-Road and what's going to be the barn.